Hey guys, what's up? What's good? Sorry for the delay between videos, but man, I got something exciting. It just came in the mail. I wanted to unbox it with you. It's in a DHL package, and when it comes to watches, when it comes in a DHL package, it's going to be something serious. So I thought you guys would enjoy this. So I've already put a cut on the top. I really haven't opened this at all. So show you the box here, and it's a brand that I'm not that familiar with. I mean, I've heard of it. It's called, there you go, RZE, and this package was shipped to me from Singapore, which is kind of mind-blowing, especially whenever you consider, like, back in the 90s, you know, how trading watches and watch collecting was. The fact that I can order something online from a company out of Singapore and get the watch quickly and safely now is just crazy. Anyway, let's open this thing up. So let's see. You know, you can order this two ways, with like a proper kind of watch box, or just kind of like this hang on, box. And here it is, right here. This is exactly how it comes. I've never seen this, and wow, I really like it. Let me switch around the camera. Give me a second. Very interesting. Okay, here's the watch, and as you can see, maybe it is a digital watch. This is the RZE UTD 8000, and I love it. This is exactly my kind of watch. You know, I love digital. You know, you've seen a lot of videos of me doing digital watches. You can see what I got on my wrist, just a G-Shock. A little more about this watch coming up in a video soon. But yeah, I love G-Shocks. I love digital watches. I think they're very cool, super functional. But this one has a lot of value. I paid $250 for this watch, and the cool thing about it is this thing is completely titanium. It's got a special coating, and they call it Ultra Hex, that makes it, I guess, more scratch resistant. But man, you can just feel the lightness of the watch. It doesn't shake in any way. Just so cool, man. Let me put this thing on my wrist. Well, let's take a look in here and see. So, okay, well, this is cool. It's like a little keychain. It says assembled for adventure. And I think, hang on, let's see. I think this may be, no, this, I thought this was going to be another strap, but it's kind of just like a, it's just glued to the bottom of the box. And you can get a better watch box than this cardboard thing. The reason I got the cardboard thing is because you save a little money doing that. Hang on a second. Let me put this thing on my wrist. I'm excited. Give me a sec. Okay, cool. Okay, so here you see the watch. I mean, really nice. And it feels like it's about 42, maybe 43 millimeters in diameter. Super duper light. Take the G-Shock off. And you can let's just compare the size of these. This is a smaller G-Shock. But you can see that the RZE is bigger, but it has a much bigger display also. Let's put this thing on. This comes in a lot of different colors, actually. Always the titanium kind of bead blasted finish, but you know, you can get it with a negative display, and you know, some colors sell out. I kind of like just the basic, you know what I mean, the titanium with the standard display. And it comes with this really nice, inexpensive but very functional, kind of like loop style strap. And so, you know, it's super purpose built, and it's perfectly my kind of watch. And there you see it on my wrist. Okay, like legitimately, I'm in love. I knew I would like the watch, you know what I mean? You look at the specs and you try on enough watches and you're kind of like, yeah, that's my kind of watch. But seeing it now on my wrist, I think it's really cool. It's exactly what I was hoping it would be, and I'm really excited to kind of put it through its paces. It's got a light. It's gonna be hard to show you outside, but it's got a light function. It's got a date, of course, and it's got a stopwatch. So it's super basic, you know, and so it's not really a replacement for a G-Shock, because, you know, G-Shock technology, I mean, they pack so much functionality into every watch, and this is like a super basic G-Shock, and this has a lot more functionality, multiple alarms, etc. I think this one has an alarm function too. But, you know, the nice thing about this watch is, number one, it's titanium, and to get a titanium G-Shock, I mean, you're looking at like MRG status, and so you're talking about, you know, $1,000, $2,500 maybe for an MRG. I've had some, they're awesome watches, but for $250, I mean, I get a titanium case, the same water resistance as a G-Shock, that's 200 meters, and just like kind of like a different feel, you know what I mean? You don't always want that you know, steel, resin, kind of plastic kind of feel. You know, this kind of comes across as a little bit more purpose-built, a little bit more interesting. And the titanium, I can't tell you, I mean, these two watches, I mean, this watch, this G-Shock, it's resin, got a little bit of stainless steel on it. Really good watch, by the way. I need to make a video about this one. But this one is even heavier than this one. I mean, this one just weighs nothing. Anyway, I'm rambling, guys. I hope you liked a super quick look at a watch that I was super excited to get. And you're looking at it with me. I mean, this is like real time. I just opened the box, and I mean, I love it. I mean, I'm really excited about it. I may make another video after, you know, maybe about a week or two to give you my impressions, but I mean, for sure it's a keeper. $250. That's shipped, no taxes. There was no like customs or anything like that, and they kind of guarantee on their website that there's not going to be any customs payments. That's kind of become a big deal nowadays. $250 for an interesting watch that has all the functionality of a G-Shock, some interesting materials, but is a little bit different. I mean, just I would tell you 100% worth it. So the brand is called RZE. I'm not sure what that stands for, and this model is called the UTD. I'm not sure what that stands for either, but they make a lot of watches. I think the thing with RZE is they always make them out of titanium. So, you know, they have like more traditional analog style watches, pilot's watches, kind of like divers watches. But this is their first digital watch, and I really recommend it. I think this is definitely a cult classic. Guys, take care. God bless, man. I'm sorry for the lack of content, but I actually have a video that I need to edit and to get out. I'm going to work on that. Take care, guys. God bless. Bye.